Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to FaceWiz. I'm Manas Sharma, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to orthogonalize the unit cell of your system. And in this particular tutorial, we'll try to orthogonalize the unit cell of the hBN monolayer. So here I have opened the supercell of the hBN monolayer, a 5 by 5 supercell, and in the summary, you can see that the gamma angle is not 90 degrees. So, and you can also see it over here that is 120 degree. And for some applications, for example, if you're building like a heterostructure or like interfacing it with another material, it is sometimes beneficial to have the angles be 90 degrees. Sometimes some softwares only work with 90-degree angles and require the unit cell to be orthogonal. So there can be some cases where you would want this hBN monolayer to have a orthogonal unit cell. And to do that, what we'll do is we will head over to this web app that I've created, rippertools.turbomole.org. I created it for Turbomole. And in the sidebar menu, you need to find this orthogonalizer menu item, and then just click over there and open it. So here you can either paste the contents of a zip file, that is a crystallographic information file, or drop it in the box here, or like open it from this. So since I already have the file, so I can essentially go ahead and upload it. And if you don't have such a file, don't worry, I'll leave it in the description down below, so from there you can get some idea. So yeah, so here is my file. Here I click on open, and here you can see the visualization of the non-orthogonal hBN monolayer unit cell that I currently have in the lattice parameters. Once again, you can verify it is 120 degrees, and then you just need to click on this orthogonalize cell button. So you go ahead and do that, and here you see that this app has orthogonalized the unit cell for you. And in the lattice parameters also you can verify that it is indeed 90 degrees. And this procedure may or may not work exactly as you expected to work sometimes, and you can verify that by checking out this array. So the first three entries should be ideally 0, the second three entries should ideally be 1, and the last three entries should again ideally be 0. If that is the case, then the orthogonalization went well, and you can go ahead and download the orthogonal zip file, and you can now visualize it in Vesta or whatever software you want to use for doing your electronic structure calculations. You can do that with this orthogonal unit cell. So yeah, so here you have seen how convenient it was to do this procedure. And yeah, so I hope you guys found this video useful and really enjoyed it. In case you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.